All right, what's up, guys? Right now we are back at the Toyota dealer. My guy up here, he has a Jeep. Okay, so little quick story, backstory. I'm trying to get my wife a Jeep Wrangler. We've been looking, we've been up in the air, we've been contemplating the whole deal on a Jeep Wrangler. So we figured it's summer, let's do a Jeep Wrangler, and yeah, let's just go for it. So what I'm gonna do is I want to try to figure out how to make it a surprise for her. I don't want to just be like, yeah, let's just go get a Jeep, like that's lame. So I'm here by myself. I'm in the Supra, by myself at the Jeep dealer. They have a Jeep here. She knows about the Jeep. We've looked at it online, checked it out, whatever. So I told her I'm gonna go up there by myself, talk to the guy, look at it, see if we can work price, whatever. It's used, it's not new. Obviously, we're at a Toyota dealer, so they don't sell Jeeps here. So what I've been thinking, like on the way up here, is that we're gonna check it out. If it checks out, I'm gonna try to make the deal happen, and then I'm gonna tell her that the Jeep, there was something wrong with it or whatever. We could make the deal happen. They weren't budging on price, whatever. But I'm gonna tell her that we couldn't get it. So I don't know. Let's go in, check out the Jeep, see if we can even make the deal happen. Then we'll cross that bridge when it comes. Let's go. All right, guys, I drove over here. I had to get the camera. All right, so here's the deal. Here's the news. You guys want the news, obviously. All right, so long story short, we got the Jeep. The Jeep is officially ours. I just have to figure out how to, I don't think I can keep it from her. I know that the whole deal with the Supra, how we did that. I don't know if I can keep it from her. I don't know how to pull that off, because we can't take it today. They got to detail it, obviously, because it's like super dirty. So they're gonna detail it, they're gonna get it fully prepped, and we got to come back tomorrow and pick it up. So I don't know what to do. So here it is. This is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Backcountry Edition. That is what these graphics are. Did a little research. They only did the Backcountry 1 year, 2016. It has a little bit of an appearance package. So it has like the Rubicon style wheels, and it has the off-road Rubicon style steel bumpers. Oh, it has rock sliders too. Steel rock sliders, and it also has these rock slider deals on the back bumper. So other than that, it's pretty much just a regular Wrangler, but it is cool that it's kind of a limited edition thing. Yeah, it like severely needs detailed, but the Jeep is ours. So now we gotta surprise the lady with the Jeep. I don't know how we're gonna do it. She obviously knows about this Jeep, and she knows I'm here looking at it. So I'm gonna have to tell her that I didn't make the deal happen. Something was wrong with the Jeep. I don't know. There is one thing wrong with the Jeep. So check this out right here. Locked. How's that happen? So there's this little dent right here, and the paint's chipping. Like someone was like hauling something in the back, and it fell and hit right here. Not a problem. The dealer worked with me on this. It's not like a huge deal. They're gonna do what they can to touch this up, but honestly, I'm not really worried about that, but I am worried about the rust. That looks like crap. And I get to see it right from the auction before they go through and really do their detail on it. So yeah, it's not too bad. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna keep this from her tonight and like half of tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm pretty excited. We got a Jeep. I've always wanted a Jeep. I know it's hers, but I can drive it too, right? All right, so that's it. I guess we'll be back tomorrow. I hope it doesn't get damaged or whatever in between now and tomorrow, because that's gonna be a pretty sweet deal for Teresa. And her birthday's in June. Can we use this as her birthday present? Can this be her birthday present? That's what I'm asking. Would it be rude for me to be like, oh yeah, happy birthday? Because it's the end of June. It's not like coming up, and we're only gonna be hitting at the beginning of June, so early birthday present. Happy birthday. There you go. All right, guys, POWERSTROKE's behind us. We got her. We're in the Jeep. Huge deal. I pulled it off last night. I was able to pull it off. I did not tell the wife about the Jeep. I got paint in my nose because we're literally painting the shop. So I'm like covered in paint. We're trying to do that. We're trying to do this. We're on our way back to the shop now. Look how sick the truck looks back there. We didn't get them to detail it because they wanted to wait, which kind of sucks. So you can see like the interior is all dirty, but that was my call. I was cool. I said, yeah, dude, let's just get it now. I want to surprise you with it over the weekend. I'll bring it back. They're going to do a full detail. There's one little thing they got to touch up on paint. But yeah, we got the Jeep 2016 Wrangler Backcountry, 24,000 miles, and we are on our way to the garage. See you guys there. I don't know where she went. All right, so here's the deal. Here's what I told her. I told her that we painted the wall crazy color, right? So that's why I have the camera, because she's gonna be suspicious of the camera. Like, hey, why are you filming me? So I told her that we painted the wall a crazy color paint. She already seen the gray. She's seen the gray. We just finished the gray. She's seen the gray. But I told her that we painted it something else, because we've been here. I've been detailing. I just detailed this yesterday, and she thought I was here yesterday painting the wall, but really I was detailing the Jeep. So here's what we got to do. They're outside the garage door right now. I should probably turn on the lights. All right, so the lights are on. All right, so we're gonna do this right now. Come on, look what I got you.
What's that? When did you get that? You are so damn sneaky. When did you get that?
That is your Jeep. That is the one that I went to look at. Remember I told you we couldn't make the deal happen? Obviously you remember.
Yes. Did you know about this?
So that's what I was doing yesterday. I told you I painted the wall. Obviously the wall's not painted. I was here detailing the Jeep. Well, what do you think? You didn't even look at it.
I think I love it. How did you pull that off without me knowing?
Dude, you have no clue.
You cannot ever pull off a surprise. I do not know how to do that.
Guys, I don't know how I did it. Literally, this is insane. I literally just spent the entire day yesterday detailing the thing in a rainstorm, because we got it, they got it for us straight from auction. And they didn't have time to detail it. They wanted to wait. They wanted to be like, yeah, come pick it up in like 3 days. But I didn't want to wait. I wanted to do this whole thing now. So you were expecting the wall to be painted.
I was expecting the wall to be painted.
What did you think I did to the wall?
I don't know. It's painted some weird color the way you were acting. Do you love it?
Say Daddy.
What do we say? Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
All right, just started. First drive in the rig. Oh, you can't crash. We don't even have it on the insurance yet. Cut it hard. Wait, stop. You're good, come on. Oh, the thing has killer turning radius. You're good. You got it. Wow, pro status. Just watch your wheel on that side. You're good. All right. Oh, well, okay. Are you just?
I'm just ready to go.
All right. First time. I'm no longer the pilot of this ship. All right. So you get a white Jeep, and the first place we go, where do we go? Target. All we need now is a big Starbucks right in the center. Will be.
They have one inside.
Oh. All right, first drive officially made in the Jeep to Target. Basic. Good deal?
Great deal. I love it.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because we are officially starting a Jeep journey in the new garage. The baby's ready to get out. We got to go in Target. It has been a very, very, very crazy past 3 days. But all right, guys, that's it. I'm starting to ramble. Tune in, you know, a day or two or whatever. We're going to post the detail video. I filmed that yesterday because I had to get it clean for her today. But I couldn't post that because then she would have seen the surprise. All right, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.